You should keep your plumbing records for as long as you own the home and for at least 10 years after any major repair or installation is finished, since many warranties and local codes require proof of work during that window. Think of your plumbing records like a health file for your house, the same way a doctor keeps notes on every checkup you have ever had. Every time a pipe is replaced, a water heater is installed, or a leak is fixed, that paperwork tells the next person exactly what happened and when. Something a lot of folks do not realize is that many manufacturers offer warranties that can last 10, 15, or even 25 years. But if you cannot show the original invoice or permit, that warranty can become worthless. Keeping these records also helps future buyers trust your home more because it proves the work was done by a licensed professional and not just a quick patch job. A smart trick is to take a photo of every invoice and permit the moment you get it, then store it in a folder on your phone or in a home file, so it never gets lost in a drawer somewhere. This way, even years down the road, you have instant proof of what was done and who did it. Then, store it in a folder on your phone or in a home file, so it never gets lost in a drawer somewhere. This way, even years down the road, you have instant proof of what was done and who did it. One common mistake is throwing away paperwork once a project feels finished, not realizing that a hidden leak months later might trace back to that very same work, so the fix here is to hold on to every plumbing document for as long as you live in the home. Another misconception is thinking that verbal promises from a contractor count as a warranty, when in reality, only written documentation will protect you if something goes wrong, so always ask for a signed and dated receipt before the contractor leaves. A third thing many people overlook is city or county permits, which some homeowners assume are optional for small jobs. But skipping this step can cause major headaches when selling your home, so always check with your local building department before starting any plumbing project. If you need help with a plumbing project, you can search for trusted and affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list their jobs and have home service experts reach out, message you directly, and offer their estimates.